Welcome to Fix This House. On today's episode, we're going to be doing a product review on the LITHELI electric mower. Now this is powered by two 20-volt lithium batteries. So we're going to check out how long these batteries last. We're going to first try it out on this 700 square foot lawn that I have at the top. This is tier 1 on my front yard, and then if it lasts longer, we're going to try the other tier, see how long this battery lasts before it dies out. But let's check out how well it runs, so stay tuned. This is the height of our grass that we're going to be mowing today. If I take out my tape measure, it is around 3 to 4 inches high. On the height option, you have 1 all the way to 6, but I'm going to set it only to setting 4. I don't want to make it too low. Now this does come with a detachable grass bag right here. Now just take your 2 charged 20-volt lithium batteries. These are fully charged. Same thing here. Close it. Now there's actually a safety button switch right here. You have to press this and push this down to make it work. Without pushing this, it will not turn on. So you have to push this first and then got half of it done. You can see that it cuts really well. We did have a light mist of rain last night, so the grass is a little bit wet. Yeah, so far there's nothing in there. You don't even have to take the battery out, and you can just press these, and the reading here, we still have full battery. I gotta say, I am quite impressed. It did really well. It cuts really clean. And let's check out the battery life. So after doing that 700 square foot area, both batteries are still full. So I just had an aha moment. Notice how there's no grass in here. I was wondering, why is there no grass coming in here? If you list this up, you're supposed to take this out right here. Yeah. Oops. If you get one of these, now you know. So opening up that port made a big difference. Look how much grass there is now in here. Yeah, look at that. The bag is almost full now. So this is about 800 square foot, this bottom tier that I have compared to the top. And the bag is full and we only did half. Here's the first tier, the top tier of my lawn. That one got done. And here is the second tier. And that one's nicely cut. And if we turn on this side, there's actually another patch there that was cut. Cut that, and it cut the top part. Okay, now time to check our battery. Looks like we are halfway through the cells. Okay, so that's doing top and bottom, and a little bit on the side as well. So that lasted pretty well, and it did very well on the coverage. Okay, so that's a total of about 2,000 square feet. So honestly, friends, I had my doubts. Okay, so I've been using gas powered lawnmowers since I was a kid. I've been mowing lawns, people's lawns, making a living out of mowing people's yards for a living using gas powered since I was born in 1985. That's all I can remember. But this is actually my first time that I actually used a battery powered lawnmower, and I honestly was blown away by how this performed. Okay, so you know that I wouldn't promote anything on my channel and to you friends, any products that I think sucks. I'm honest with my products, and I think this is really well, and it pretty much took out all the doubts that I had about battery powered lawnmowers. Times are changing and technology is just getting better and better, including all the tools that are coming out. This one was definitely one of those things that proved me wrong, and definitely a thumbs up for sure. So I do apologize, it's a little bit windy here in Washington today. It's nice and sunny though. But time to give you the pros and the cons. Let's start off with the pros first. First off, I love how light this is. This is around, well, it says 30 pounds on the instructions, but yeah, it does weigh really light. Okay, so comparing it to the regular lawnmower that I have, my gas powered, those are a little heavier, but this one I flew right by 30 pounds. You can't beat it. Plus it has wheels. You're not really pushing you're not carrying all that 30 pounds, you're actually pushing it, so it makes it super light. The second part that I really like about this is you don't have to, it's not a pull start, it's a push and then squeeze. That's it. You're not gonna break your back or your arm trying to start this thing. With one hand you can start this, just press this and then pull down. See that, friends? That's one hand start. Third part that I really like about this is the height adjuster is super easy. All you gotta do is go up and down, and the whole thing adjusts. Given it's not like your other mowers where you can adjust the front and the back independently. That's probably one of the cons about it, but for me that's not an issue. I really like this. The fourth part that I really like about this thing is that it has handles on the body. You can lift it up right here. See how light that is? You can lift that up, and it has an easy bag that you can just has a handle as well. So now let's get to the con, kind of the battery life. Now if we're talking about battery life, I ended up finishing my lawn. It was probably I have half an acre on my land, okay, and with all that work that I did, it only drained about half of the battery life. So maybe if you have acreage, I don't know, probably here in Washington people own like 2, 3, 4, 5 acreage. This might not be the right mower for you, and depending on what kind of terrain you have, slopes, high slopes or whatnot, but for what it is for my property, this is the perfect one for me. If you have a lot of acres to do, then you can buy extra batteries and just use that and swap it out every time, so that shouldn't be a problem. So I wouldn't even call that a full con, probably half a con and then half pro. I guess one other thing is I wish that this thing, the bag, is a little bit bigger. You're gonna constantly empty it out, it gets full quick. So that's probably it. Everything else, the pros outweighs the cons. LITHELI does offer 2 options, which is the 13-inch blade and the 17-inch blade. This one's a 17-inch blade, so if you go underneath, there is a 17-inch blade under here. But overall, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of how the results are. From my first experience on this, I think it is a thumbs up. I give it a 4 stars out of 5 for what it is, and for the price. Check it out. Go to LITHELI.com. I'll leave the link in the description down below, and if you're interested on this product, I'll leave the link down below as well. Try it out for yourself. All right, friends, so hopefully you enjoyed this product review, and again, thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.